Welcome, my dear students. Today we are going to solve chapter 18 of class 4, and the chapter is Kabuliwala. Let's solve exercise work of this chapter. Number 1. Answer these questions. A. What were the qualities of Minnie? Answer. Minnie was 5 years old. She was very talkative. B. Why did Minnie leave her play? Answer. Minnie left her play because a Kabuliwala was passing in the street. C. What did the Kabuliwala give to Minnie? Answer. The Kabuliwala gave nuts and raisins to Minnie. D. Why was Minnie's father happy? Answer. Minnie's father was happy because a long lost father would meet again with his only child. Question number 2. Choose the correct option. 4 options were given. Right one has been written here. A. How old was Minnie? Answer. 5 years. B. What was the name of the doorkeeper? Answer. Ram Dayal. C. What was in the box of the Kabuliwala? Answer. Grapes. D. When Minnie grew old, she spent her more time with dash. Answer is girls. When Minnie grew old, she spent her more time with girls. Question number 3. Write true or false. A. Minnie entered mother's room. False. Minnie entered father's room. B. The Kabuliwala had a bag on his back. True. C. Minnie and the Kabuliwala became friends. True. D. The age of Minnie and the age of the Kabuliwala were same. False. There was a great difference in their ages. E. The Kabuliwala had a little daughter. True. Question number 4. Fill in the blanks with the given words. Words are myself, ourselves, yourself, himself, herself, themselves. Myself is used for I, ourselves is used for we, yourself is used for you, himself is used for he or a boy. Herself is used for she or a girl, and themselves is used for they or plural. A. I write letters dash. Answer. Myself. I write letters myself. B. You went to Delhi dash. Answer is yourself. You went to Delhi yourself. C. She cooked food dash. Answer is herself. She cooked food herself. D. Ram reads dash. Answer is himself. Ram reads himself. E. We came here dash. Answer is ourselves. We came here ourselves. F. Boys were helping dash. Answer is themselves. Boys were helping themselves. Next question is question number 5. Some words have two meanings. Fill in the blanks in each pair of sentences with the same words. Words are given: fine, watch, left, place, bank. A. He dash football in the evening. Tagore wrote many dash. Its answer is plays. He plays football in the evening. Tagore wrote many plays. B. We deposit money in the dash. Patna is situated on the dash of the Ganga. Answer is bank. We deposit money in the bank. Patna is situated on the bank of the Ganga. We should walk along the dash side. She has a bag in her dash hand. Answer is left. We should walk along the left side. She has a bag in her left hand. My father has a golden dash. Did you dash the match yesterday? Answer is watch. My father has a golden watch. Did you watch the match yesterday? E. It is a dash day. He had to pay dash for mistake. Answer is fine. It is a fine day. He had to pay fine for mistake. Question number 6. Fill in the blanks with AL or EL. Here words have been made adding AL or EL. You can see AL or EL have been added with red letters. Central, model, animal, travel, jewel, panel, towel, vowel, medal, tunnel, parcel, final, original. Once I am reading its spelling too. CENTRAL, central. MODEL, model. ANIMAL, animal. TRAVEL, travel. SPECIAL, special. JEWEL, jewel. PANEL, panel. TOWEL, towel. VOWEL, vowel. MEDAL, medal. TUNNEL, tunnel. PARCEL, parcel. FINAL, final. ORIGINAL, original. Thank you. Have a nice day.